Bhramari or humming is very easy to do. We'll first do it without the hand positions and then with the hand positions. All you do is take a deep breath in and make a nasal sound as the exhalation takes place. Take a deep breath in. As you do this, obviously the teeth are together. We'll try one more time. Take a deep breath in. Now, when it is done with hand position, while the same humming is being done, you utilize the thumb to close the inner earlobe. And you use the index finger to come over your eyebrows. You use the middle finger to come right at the upper part of the eye socket. And then the ring finger comes over the bony part of your nose, where the bony part and the soft part meet, right over there, so that when you press there, the nostrils will not fully close when you exhale. And the little finger comes at the base of the nostril. So let's begin. Take a deep breath in. Observe, the sound does not permeate as much, but the sound is exactly the same. I will demonstrate for you. Take a deep breath in again. You can notice how once you press the hands in, the sound vibration is exactly the same thing, but the vibration now works inward more actively.